Hi, I'm Matt Hildebrand, Product Specialist with Elmers Manufacturing, and today we're standing in front of our 2,500 bushel Elmers Haulmaster. So here at Elmers, we make a variety of sizes of grain carts, everything from an 1,100 up to a 3,000 bushel cart, ranging on undercarriages of single tires, inline tandems, row crop tandems, and a variety of track sizes. So a couple of things that make our Haulmaster special for us is we have a direct drive gearbox system. So we go straight from the PTO into our gearbox, which is patented as the Powermaster. So that drives the drag auger or the belly auger that comes up to our vertical unloading auger on this cart. That's a 24-inch vertical unloading auger, which is capable of about 1,000 bushels.
We moved to the direct drive gearbox in 2019. We had a lot of farmer feedback about belts and chains, so we moved to this direct drive gearbox. The beauty of that is it allowed us to drop our carts about 10 inches to the ground, so as you see an Elmer's grain cart, it's very stable and very safe in the field. Also too, with the direct drive gearbox, you have the ability, if you plug the unloading auger, to just disengage the drag auger and then unload your unloading auger.
Okay.
You're going to notice some other things about the grain cart. The right-hand discharge. So producers came to us quite a few years ago and said, hey guys, can you build a right-hand discharge cart? And we said absolutely. So in 2019 we built the right-hand discharge. We still build left-hand discharge carts, but we're probably 85% now in right-hand discharge. And simply put, when you're sitting in the cab of your tractor, you've got your dashboard with your hydraulics and you've got your tablet and your joystick, and you can do all your unloads, so it's super efficient. Other things you'll notice on our carts, everything's clear and concise in terms of the hydraulic lines are all colorized. We call this the best $7 we ever spent at Elmer's, PTO shaft holder. Other things you'll see on the cart, we have a 5-point scale, and that's Haulmaster Pro. We have a load cell that's sitting here in the front, and there's a load cell on this side, 2 load cells on this side and 2 load cells on that side.
So it's quite fast. On these carts, you can get a variety of hydraulic and scale options. So at Elmers, we have our own proprietary scale system called Haulmaster Connect. That just gives you your scale reading, and then from there you can add on what we call Pro, which is your joystick, which hydraulically controls all your functions on the cart. So you have a joystick in the cab that controls your spout, 4-ways, your auger folding in and out, your pivot, and your gate system.
So with our Haulmaster Pro option, tablet and joystick, key features would be you have the ability to have your crops, your fields, your trucks, and your bins and your elevators. You also have the ability to set your weights by a compartment to be legal when you're running. All the data that's actually on the cart itself. So you can have a Samsung tablet here, you can have an Apple iPad, and easily downloadable from our website. You also have a virtual joystick here, but this is a real key part of the Haulmaster Pro is the joystick itself. So you have the ability to run the pivoting spout, to run the unfold and the fold. So the fold and unfold works in about 10 to 12 seconds. It also pivots down to 8.5 feet if you want to work with a grain bagger. So super key features. It's all about safety and efficiency in the field.
So if you come around to the side, you can see that the Haulmaster is a bolt together design. So a couple benefits of that is we can powder coat the inside and outside of our panels, which we feel gives us a better quality finish, and it's much smoother and it lasts a lot longer against wear and sun damage. Another benefit of bolt together is we can ship them overseas and then they can get assembled overseas. So we can fit multiple carts into a 40-foot C-can container, so it just cuts down shipping costs. Other nice things, if you accidentally back into your shed or if you hit it with another tractor, you can just replace one panel instead of cutting and welding. So these big carts you can see on the side here, they actually have a ground level access to get into the cart. So that just eliminates having to crawl in the ladder over the backside of the cart, keeping it much safer for the operator.
Again, as you move along the Haulmaster, you're going to notice we have a bigger toolbox for model year 25. So this is super slick. It's got a drawer here for parts or tools or whatever you need there.
This unit comes equipped with our Tearawave tracks. The Tearawave tracks are actually new for us this year. So you can get them in this size, the 42-inch wide and the 36-inch wide. Multiple articulation points. Got the roller at the top here. So it is redesigned compared to our previous large track design, so we're quite excited about that.
2026, this is the last year for our older track system. This will be on all of our carts. The beauty of this is it oscillates side to side as well as oscillates up and down. So track system is great. We've done a lot of the testing on it. Old bathtubs, we suggest to change oil every 2 years, but the system is excellent.
And there's no grease fitting maintenance on here.
That's correct.
Yep.
Yeah, that's correct. You got grease fittings in your full-length cleanout and on your PTO shaft.
Okay.
Lots of different options. Like I said, we're talking about sizes, we were talking about scales. This one has the tow hitch option on it. There's actually a plug in the back if you wanted to pull a header trailer. It also has the full-length cleanout, so you can put a wrench on here, and it's got the full-length cleanout all the way along, so it cleans out super nice. Seed producers really like it because you just open up that trap door, everything falls out. By the time you travel to the next field, you'll have almost no grain left in the bottom. So it is super nice for clean out. You do have your ladder to get up inside the cart. So it has railings on the outside and on the inside. So it's nice and easy to get in. There's something to grab onto. You're not straddling the top tarp. You got tow rope hangers here. If you needed to put a tow rope somewhere, especially in Western Canada, we can get into some muddy conditions late in the year in corn harvest. So it's nice to have that tow rope.
Yep.
Coming along the side, you also have a digital display. So that tells you the weight in the cart, so the combine operator can clearly see how much weight is in the cart. Just nice, so you're not always talking back and forth. It's really easy to see. This one also comes with a fire suppression kit, so it's a 150-gallon tank with a 50-gallon per minute pump and a 50-foot hose on there. So it's nice because the grain cart's usually the first piece of equipment on scene when there is a fire. So it is super nice to have. You can see this one's got the controller on the side there, so that's kind of the brains of the operation when it comes to the scale system. So in a nutshell, that's kind of the Elmers Haulmaster.
Alrighty, well thanks for your time and look forward to seeing more of these out in the field.
Absolutely.
So yeah, that's all I got.
All right, well thanks for taking the time and explaining the Elmer's grain cart to us.
Appreciate it. Thank you.